in the last class we have discussed knocking. Okay, so now we are going to discuss what are the variables or factors, okay, variables affecting knocking. Okay, knocking. This is the process in CI engine that we have discussed what is knocking, and as I told you, the factor affecting knocking will be the factor affecting delay period. Okay, so delay period should be as short as possible, as short as possible. If the delay period is less, as I discussed in the last class, if the delay period is short, that means there is less fuel accumulation, and if all the fuels burned there, then it will release less energy, less pressure, so there will not be knocking problem in CI engines. Okay, so factors affecting the delay period will affect knocking also. If we can reduce the delay period, then knocking will be less. Okay, so delay period should be as short as possible, and if delay period is short, knocking will be less. Knocking will be less. Okay, so that should be the objective of here. Now, what are the variables? Let us write the variables. These are the same variable which I have discussed already. Variables of factor affecting the delay period. Same points are here also. So, number 1 is inlet pressure. Number 2, inlet temperature. Okay. Number 3, compression ratio. Compression ratio. Next point, self-ignition temperature of the fuel. Okay. Next point, load of the engine. Next point, speed of the engine. Speed of engine. Next, turbulence. Okay, so turbulence of combustion chamber. Okay, there will be some more points also, like cylinder wall temperature, cylinder sizes, Okay, so these are the variables or factor which affects delay period, and delay period is the main reason for the knocking in CI engine. So we can, if we can reduce delay period, as I have written there, it should be as short as possible. Delay period is short, knocking will be less. So our main objective should be to reduce the delay period. If we can reduce the delay period, our knocking in CI engine will be also less. Okay, so what is the effect of inlet temperature or inlet pressure? If it is high, remember, if there is increase in high pressure, then this knocking will be, I am writing just effect of knocking. Okay, so here this inlet pressure will be high, then knocking will reduce. Okay, so that is the effect. How knocking will reduce? Because it will reduce the delay period. If it can reduce this, inlet pressure is high, so it will, fuel is burned immediately, and there will not be delay period. Delay period will be short. So short delay period means our knocking will be also less. In a similar, as I have discussed in the last class, temperature and pressure are in same order. So if this temperature is also high, then also knocking reduces. Okay, compression ratio, see, compression ratio means volume decreasing. So if we decrease the volume, pressure will increase. So it is similar to this one. So if compression ratio is high, in CI engine compression ratio is already 12 to 20. So high compression ratio is there. So it will also have knocking less knocking effects. Okay. So inlet pressure, if it is high, then it will knocking will be reduces. Okay. And this one, inlet temperature is high, increases. If it is high, then knocking will be less. Okay. So that will be here also. Now this SIT, self ignition temperature of the fuel, it should be short. If it is short, then knocking will be less here. Okay. So self ignition temperature of the fuel is very high, it will burn immediately. If it burns immediately, there will be knocking effect. Load will be, if the load is high. Okay. So this high load means it burn, all the accumulated fuel will burn immediately and that will be consumed. So knocking will be less. Okay. And speed should be very low, it should be short. Okay. Speed also should be short. Remember, these are the effects. So speed of the engine should be short, then our knocking will be here also less, or delay period less. Turbulence should be very high. If the turbulence is high, then our knocking problem will be less, or it reduces. Okay. Then cylinder wall, if it is high, once again our knocking reduces. And cylinder size should be large. If the cylinder size is large, it also will be less. Okay. So see, there are 9 points I have written, and these points are almost the same, which affect the delay period. So if the inlet pressure is high, see, if the inlet pressure is high, see, inlet pressure, inlet temperature, compression ratio and load, see, high. Okay. Turbulence high, cylinder wall temperature high, and cylinder size high or large. If these are the large or high, then our delay period will be less. Delay period less means our knocking will be also less. Other than these 6 factors, there are 3 factors also. Remember, what are these? This is self-ignition temperature of the fuel. Ignition temperature is less, then also it will reduce, or it will have the less delay period, and less delay period means less knocking problem also. Another is speed. See, speed, these points, SIT, speed. If the speed of the engine is short, then it will also have less knocking in CI engine, and that is short. See here, short. Okay. So these are the points which are going to affect. Okay. So let us sum up what we have studied in this session. Variables or factor affecting the knocking period. So delay period should be as small as possible. So delay period is short, knocking will be less. So what are the factors affecting delay period? Inlet pressure, inlet temperature, compression ratio. It should be high. Then this load should be also high. Okay. Then turbulence is high, then it reduces. Cylinder wall temperature high. Okay. So cylinder size is also large, that will also reduces these effects of this one. So if these points are considered carefully or controlled easily, that means we can control knocking in CI engines. Okay. So these are the factors affecting CI engine. Ill effects of this knocking I have already discussed in the, it is similar. Ill effects are similar to detonation. Ill effects are similar to detonation in SI engine. Okay. So like engine failure, piston rings failure, piston and piston rings failure. Then another point may be like thermal efficiency, volumetric efficiency reduces, overall efficiency also reduces. Okay, all those points are there that I will discuss. This point I have already discussed in knocking. Rest of the thing I will discuss in next class. Thank you.